The question here is whether x times x minus 1 in brackets is smaller than 0. In other words, the question is whether x squared minus x, which we get if we multiply out the left-hand side, whether that's smaller than 0. In other words, whether x squared is smaller than x if we add x to both sides of the inequality sign. Now, if we draw a line here with x, and we have 0 there and 1 there, we know that if x is greater than 1, in that case x squared is going to be greater than x. For example, 2 to the power 2, which is 4, is greater than the initial x, which was 2. So if x is greater than 1, we actually have that x squared is greater than x. Likewise, if x is smaller than 0, x squared is also going to be greater than x. Because any negative number, so for example minus 3 squared, is going to be minus 3 times minus 3, the minus sign cancels out, so it's going to be 9, and that's greater than the initial x, which was minus 3. Now, only if x is here, that is between 0 and 1, in that case x squared is going to be smaller than x. Because if x is between 0 and 1, x is going to be a fraction, for example, a half. And a half squared is 1/4, which is indeed smaller than the initial x, which was a half. So this basically means, is x between 0 and 1. So the initial question, this one, which may seem complicated mathematically, is actually quite easy. It's just asking you whether x is between 0 and 1.